Hello friends, my name is Paresh and today we are going to discuss purchase order processing in Business Central. So stay tuned. So today's agenda is how to manage purchase orders, creating a purchase order, using blanket purchase orders, and working with purchase orders. Now the purchase order allows you to create and view purchase orders. The process also represents an agreement with the vendor to purchase certain items for a certain price and delivery on specific date. Now, you will notice that in this diagram, it shows a number of similarity with the process of sales order management, which we discussed in one of our previous videos. Now, the central document in this is of course purchase order. However, a purchase process can also start from a quote or a blanket order. We can obviously convert a purchase or a quote or a blanket order to a purchase order and then start posting. Now, once we have posted it, we can get a posted receipt document and update the item. So the inventory will increase as the items are received. We will also post an invoice, which will result in a posted invoice document, which will update the chart of accounts and the vendor cards. We would then need to pay the vendor, and after we issue the payment, the vendor card and the chart of accounts will both be updated. Now let us go ahead and look at the system to see these different components. So let us start with the purchase code. A purchase code enables us to enter multiple codes from different vendors in the system, and then when you click on Make Order button, you can convert that code into a purchase order. So let's go ahead and create a new purchase code. For that, you can click on Purchasing, click on Purchase Codes, and on the purchase code list, you can click on New. You can choose a vendor name, let's say Worldwide Importers over here, and you will see the system automatically fills in the contact, the document date, and the order date details. Now on the lines, let's keep the type as item, and let us choose an item called Ethan's Desk for 15 pieces. So once you have filled all this information, you can go ahead and click on Actions and click on Make Order to convert this code to a purchase order. So let's go ahead and click it. Do you want to convert the code to an order? Yes. And there you go. You have the code which is converted to an order now. And when you click on OK, you will see the code is also removed from the list. Now, just as we can make agreements with a customer and the number of items that we are going to purchase in a specific period, we can also do the same with vendors, where we can make agreements, we can make commitments to purchase a number of items over a specific time period. We can do this by entering a blanket purchase order. So let's go ahead and click on Purchasing, click on Blanket Purchase Orders, and let's create a new blanket purchase order. Let's choose the vendor name again as Worldwide Importers, and you will see that a number of details has been automatically pre-filled by the system. Now on the line, let's choose the type as item, and let's choose an item called Amsterdam lamp, and let us commit to purchase 50 pieces of these lamps. Now for purchasing 15 Amsterdam lamps in this case, we get a 5% discount. So let us add that in the line discount percentage. As you will notice, the line amount is automatically adjusted by the system to incorporate this 5% discount. So now we can start receiving these lamps. Suppose on a specific date, we need to get the first batch of the lamps. So let's say the order date is 30/12/2018, and the quantity to receive is 30, because right now we only need 30 lamps. We have committed for 50, but we only need 30 at the moment. So now we can click on Actions and click on Make Order. Do you want to create an order from the blanket order? Yes. And the system will tell you what is the number of the purchase order which has been created. So click on OK. So if we go to purchase orders from here, Over here, we can locate the purchase order which has been created. Let's open that. And now we can process this further to receive the order. So we can click on actions and click on post, and we can just receive the order. So now if we go back to our blanket order, over here you will see that the quantity to received has been updated to 20 and the quantity already received is 30. So the blanket order is automatically updated as soon as you receive the purchase order. So now let us look at how we can work with purchase orders. Let us click on purchasing and click on purchase orders. And let us take an example of an open purchase order. Now there are two steps in which you can post a purchase order. Click on actions, click on posting, post. First you can receive the purchase order. So if you click on receive and click on OK. Now doing this will post the receipts separately than the invoice. So after you have posted the receipts, you can click on actions again, click on post, and this time click on invoice and OK. And now you can see that the order is posted and has been moved to posted purchase invoices window. Click on yes. So over here you can see a posted purchase invoice. Now you can create a copy of this invoice by printing the invoice. So you can click on actions, you can click on print, and here you have an option to send it to PDF, Word or Excel, or you can print to a printer, or you can preview the invoice. So that brings us to the end of this video. So why don't you go ahead and try it out for yourself. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, share your comments, and do subscribe to the channel Tech Dynamics.